How to fix the black screen on your MacBook. Let's get started. The first thing, and probably it may sound silly, but it happens, is your Mac is shut down. If it is shut down, make sure to hit the power button and it will boot up the Mac. Alternatively, you can also hit the space key on the keyboard to start it back up. Second thing, if the Mac brightness is too low, you can see the display has gone too low. In that case, the screen is going to go black. And initially you may not understand why, but if you just hit the brightness up button on your keyboard, it will just come back up again. So the screen is going to start up and then you can proceed with your work. The third thing you want to do is check whether your Mac has battery. If it doesn't have any charge in it, obviously it is not going to start up. Now you might say, I have charged my MacBook because it is always plugged into the charger. In that case, the battery might have run out and the charger is also not working. So change the charger or charge it with another Type-C port for most of the modern Macs and it may start up again. Then the next thing that might be causing a black screen on your MacBook is connected external devices. Let's say you have a flash drive connected, you have an external monitor connected. In that case, it may cause some glitches which may cause the Mac screen to go black. Now to fix this, just try and pull out all the external devices. Hopefully that should restore your Mac. If none of that works, you can always press down and hold the power button for 10 seconds, wait 5 seconds and then push the power button again to restart your Mac. Hopefully this helps a lot. If it does, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.